Hey guys! So in this video I'll show you how to use a draft story on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram, and after that you just have to click on your story. Suppose if you want to create a story, you just have to click on the camera, and after that you have to click a picture. For example, I am using a black picture and you can select any of the text or you can add any of the stickers. For example, I am adding the sticker. And now if I don't want to post the story at once and I want to save it in the draft, what I have to do is that I have to just click on the arrow on the top left corner, and here you can see the option of save draft. You just have to click on save draft, and as you guys can see that your story has been saved in the draft. So now I'll tell you where you can find all of your draft. Find your draft, you just have to swipe up, and here you can see that there is an option of draft. You just have to click on this, and here you can see all of your draft. You can select any of the draft. Story draft will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. For example, each of the story is deleted after 7 days of making the story. Now if you want to post any of the story which you have been saved in the draft, you just have to select the story, and as you guys can see that the story has been appeared. After that you just have to post the story. Hope you guys like this tutorial of using the draft on Instagram story. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.